Shanti. Today is 22nd May 2025 and we shall listen to the essence of today's Murli. In the essence, Baba says, "Sweet children, whatever you see with your eyes, it is all the paraphernalia of the old world. It has to be destroyed. Therefore, remove this land of sorrow from your intellects." Question: what do human beings blame the Father for when in fact it is no one's fault? Answer: human beings believe that the huge destruction that takes place is inspired by God, that He is the one who causes sorrow as well as gives happiness. They have put all the blame on the Father. The Father says, "Children, I am always the bestower of happiness. I cannot cause sorrow to anyone. If I inspired destruction to take place, all the sin would then fall upon me. Everything happens according to the drama. I do not make it happen." Song: O traveler of the night, do not become weary. The destination of the dawn is not far off. The essence for dharana is: first, remain alert in paying attention to yourself. Beware of Maya. Keep an honest chart of remembrance. Second, follow the mother and father and become seated on the heart throne. Remain busy in doing service day and night. Give everyone the message to remember the Father. Give the donation of the 5 vices and the eclipse will be removed. Blessing: may you sacrifice all consciousness of yourself by keeping a balance of sense and essence and thereby become a world transformer. Sense means understanding the points of this knowledge, and understanding and essence means keeping the awareness of being an embodiment of all powers in the powerful form. If you keep a balance of these two, all consciousness of yourself and all your old things will be sacrificed. By sacrificing every second, every thought, every word, and every action in the service of world transformation, you will automatically become a world transformer. Those who sacrifice themselves along with all awareness of their own bodies are easily able to transform the atmosphere with their elevated vibrations. Slogan: remember your attainments and anything of sorrow or distress will be forgotten. Om Shanti.